Hello and welcome back to Baby Care by Tina Two Hearts. If you're a new parent and feeling nervous about your baby's first bath, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through how to bathe a newborn safely, step by step, so bath time can be calm, safe, and even enjoyable. Step 1. Gather everything first before you start. Make sure you have everything within arm's reach. You'll need a baby bathtub or basin, warm water, mild baby soap, a soft washcloth, a towel, clean clothes, and a fresh diaper. Never leave your baby unattended, even for a second. Step 2. Choose the right time. Pick a time when your baby is calm and alert, not too hungry or too sleepy. Many parents prefer bathing their newborn in the evening because it helps relax the baby before bedtime. Step 3. Check the water temperature. Fill the tub with just 2 to 3 inches of warm water. The ideal water temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, similar to body temperature. Always test the water with your wrist or elbow before placing your baby in the tub. Step 4. Start with a sponge bath until the umbilical cord stump falls off. Give your newborn a sponge bath. Gently wipe the face first using plain water, no soap. Clean the eyes from the inner corner outward, using a separate clean area of the cloth for each eye. Step 5. Wash the body. Gently support your baby's head and neck at all times. Clean the neck folds, arms, tummy, legs, and finally the diaper area. Use a small amount of baby soap only when needed. Be gentle, newborn skin is very sensitive. Step 6. Rinse and dry. Carefully pour warm water gently over your baby to rinse off soap. Immediately wrap your baby in a soft towel and pat dry, especially between skin folds. Step 7. After bath care, apply a gentle baby moisturizer if needed. Dress your baby in clean clothes, and enjoy some cuddle time. Most newborns only need a bath 2 to 3 times a week. Bath time doesn't have to be scary. With practice, it becomes a beautiful bonding moment. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Baby Care by Tina for more newborn care tips. Thanks for watching.